So here we are back with part 2 to me installing the water pump. The water pump's down there doing fine. I still have a leak somewhere. It is still emptying the fluid out of my tank there. And by the way, welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. Yeah, sometimes I forget to say that. But I still have a leak somewhere, and I hope it's not being sucked in through a head. Or that's it, I'm not doing that this year. I got my trusty, that's oil. So, anything here? Anything down here? Can you see anything? Anything down there? I don't see anything. About here. Anything here with these hoses? Again, I don't see anything leaking. And there we are. We found it. We found a leak. Do you see that leak down there? Let me get in closer. If you can see it, it is right there. See? See if I can get the light on it better. I think she's leaking out of the hose end there. I got one of those cheap clamps on there. Okay, so we found the leak. That's good to know. Oh, by the way, it was leaking out of the water pump too. But this is also a place where it's leaking. So, yeah, right down there. Yeah, it's hard to get it on camera here. Like, you can sort of see, oh, there you go. You can sort of see where it's leaking there. So, okay. Now, either I gotta tighten the clamp and see what happens. Actually, I just put water in this last time. So, what I'm gonna do is dump the water. And I know, I'm gonna put Dexcool back in it because I have a ton of it. And, you know, GM, they're supposed to run on Dexcool, and it's all new Dexcool. It's where I work. There's a company or a mechanic shop that brought in a ton of Dexcool that, for some reason, they said they didn't want to use. It looks good to me, so I'm going to use it. And I'm going to fill this thing back up with Dexcool after I drain the fluid out of this again. It means I gotta reach down there again somewhere and scraped my arm up badly last time getting down there, so hopefully this time I won't be as bad. Well, when I tighten that clamp up, it does not seem like it was ever tightened. So I tightened her up nice and snug, and I think she's tight now. All I can do is hope it's tight. Anyways, so I got two different types. I actually got more different types, but these are the two. They're not opened. These are the ones that, actually I got a bunch of them that aren't open. But yeah, a shop had these AC Delco Dexcools in their shop for a while, and they just wanted to get rid of them, so they brought them out to me. I said, yeah, sure, I'll take them. Go in the oil program and antifreeze. Well, I actually took them home. And this one's a pressed stone. Concentrate, must add water. Is this one a concentrate too? I'm not sure, I'll have to check. Probably had to add water. But yeah, I don't know. I'll probably use the pressed stone. It's probably a lot newer than the AC Delco. Not that there's anything probably wrong with the AC Delco. It probably works just fine. But yeah, I'll probably just use the Prestone one here. Not open, so see if maybe I'll need more than that. You never know. So what do you think? Running Dexcool, or as most people call it, Dexkill, any good, or should I use something else? I'm not sure, but 1 second. So I'm actually just gonna run AC Delco. It's concentrated, extended life, Dexcool. And that's what I'm going to run. Because... oh, crap. I hate it when I do that. I just got the thing, knocked the little thing into the jug. So I had to switch funnels because this one I'm using has a strainer in it because I knocked this stupid tab into here. Pretty orange color, huh? Well, that's what they say. Yes. Well, it's going to take a while to get this all the way through. A couple of startups. And to get her moving. There's the thing I dropped in. Good going. It caught it. So, probably going to have to start her up. Let her run to cycle the fluid. So it looks like I will have to use this older one. Some of the ones I got, I don't like the look of them. Oh, this one is new, as you can see. And good old Dexcool. More or less everyone calls it Dexkill, so who knows? It could be. I'm going to try it again in here. Oh, this thing's full. And this is concentrated, so I may have to add some water later. So I'm going to start her up again and try to get her bled a bit and see how that goes. Now I'll let her run a little bit here and see how well it goes. You can see it's sucking in some. Usually after I let her warm up, then she sucks in and more air escapes, and you can see it's getting lower and lower. So what I was running in here was long life yellow stuff for a long time. It was fine, except when I started getting this leak, I kept on having to add more and more, and it didn't go well. So, added more water, added more antifreeze. By the end, I have no clue. I've been doing it all year. By the end, I have no clue what was going on in there until I decided, okay, water pump is leaking, and did that, filled it with water, and then noticed, oh crap, something's still leaking, because after I go to work and come back, the reservoir jug would be empty. So, yeah, that's the way it's going right now. Well, you can tell the water pump's, she's moving fluid. Yeah, oh, she's getting warm too. She's moving fluid, you can see her moving it. So, I'm going to shut her down, let her suck this in, and then hopefully I won't have to do this too many more times. So, there we go. It was 2 more starting runs and letting her, and she's blowing heat now. So, there we go. Now all I got to do is keep an eye on it and make sure she doesn't go down, because if she goes down, I know that clamp is no good. I'll have to switch all that. All those hoses were new 4 years ago, and I swear it doesn't even look like I tightened that clamp down. So let's see how good this Dexcool works in here. It's something, I don't know, I used to use it in my GM cars all the time, and for everyone it was fine. You know, it's an acid based kind of coolant. So, I don't really like acid-based coolants, but a lot of them are kind of acid-based now, not glycol-based. So, we'll see. But, yeah, she hasn't drank any more fluid for a while, so I'm just going to let her be for now. and hopefully she will be good. And if it's not, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. And then maybe we'll have to do something about that hose or clamp down there. But for now, thanks for watching. Give it a like if you want, or if you don't want, that's fine. Well, until next time, yeah.